I go ball back, I'll let pint, pack your bag, let me go pint.
We got some bagging.
We got some bagging, boy.
Salary.
Pimento, boy.
What do you pimento? Huh?
Don't worry. Partner, you want something, sir?
Alright, Batman,
Yes, sir.
talk for the people there. Where we there?
Right now we're in Shark River.
Where's Shark River?
Shark River is the other side of Trinidad.
North side, south side, what part?
North
side.
North coast.
Right.
So
No.
people are afraid to come in this river because it has shark, but we had it bake. Once we had it bake, we'll have it shark. Right? We just eat them out. Right? And I'll never take that rank. Eh?
Right, what we cooking today?
So we're cooking some curry duck.
We had the duck here.
Yeah, some curry stew pork.
The pork didn't come out yet.
Yeah, we're gonna do a chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice?
Yeah, with noodles in it.
Chicken fried rice with noodles.
Yes.
Chicken fried with noodles.
Bursting with flavors.
Bursting, alright.
Bursting with flavors.
Alright.
Later we're just gonna get drunk and get sober.
Alright. Alright, if you ever come to Trinidad and you come to Cora or Shark River, this is what you're gonna see. See everybody by the table there cutting up seasoning, and just now the pot got chunky.
Mini foil it. Mini foil. Bad. Mini foil, boy. Mini foil. We have one no garlic and deep fried rice. That's the point. Hey, what are you doing, boy?
Yeah, वाली पापा आदमी को आराम से तीस boy अगर हुआ है भाई 30 boy 30 ये भाई मान भाई 30 boy बापू को ये कर दो
Ya kapal apa? Ini dari yang macam ni.
Tapi ya, ya tu.
What are you showing the pot there?
Plenty things. Onion garlic. Onion garlic. We went to the bar.
Plenty thing. That way I tell him. Wait for anybody. Plenty thing.
After pack out to you. See one thing in Mr. Ronald, they carry across the smell.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They might make that just now, yeah?
Them not ready for that smell.
That is great, man, but not so level. We should have done this on our fire side, but that's the only thing you was gambling here at the front end, like the rain falling. Oh, where's the man tell me? That I've been over them. Last time you got a bag. I've been back. You got a bag. That one long way to kill. Right there. Yeah. I let it go, yeah?
I want to go fast. I guess I wall.
See where I carry that smell now. I know how to what missing and all kind of
Yeah. Right,
take out one and doing nothing. Take out the pork, Louis, season that pork. All I want that pork.
Bean, grab that pork?
Huh? Curry soup?
Yeah, grabbing it, but
Curry soup?
Này, vô đây, cái bản này để nó cứ đi vô bia mà thôi. Chết, em ở bên sốt thế đấy, em no way bên sốt. Em
You want to tell me?
anh đi xuống này.
now we adding some curry powder to this.
Like you trying to put everything away. We have a wheel.
What is that there?
Duck and goat curry.
The duck and goat curry, alright.
Everything in there.
And there's some masala.
I don't know. I got some cooking there too.
No, here you go, Jack. The rest of food.
So today I forget to put the jeera. But don't worry, some jeera.
Yeah, get it wrong, Jira.
Nah, it was on a tree today. I couldn't pick it.
Right, here's what we call patching the curry. Just frying it up, let it release some of the oils.
Man, you got water. Get water, get bottle of water for me.
Hey, that young chef coming up here. Cook it up. Hey, oh, I said the drum.
Right, put in some water in the pot so the curry doesn't burn.
Get it.
You know, when you're cooking with live gas, the heat the heat does be very high. So
Yeah, so if you don't know how to cook with this,
Crap, smoke your pipe.
mean frog leg. And then, see this? Huh?
ingredients.
See this? It's not for this yet. This is for this.
You see what?
I like that one. I like that one. That is not for these. That is for here and it should have ahead.
So as you may see, we are the old ginger men crew here. They chop up the gingers.
Yeah, I will show you from there.
chopping up ginger.
Ginger, celery. 5. You can peel all this with your hand. What do you think?
Wendell, say something for the people in the States.
Yes. Hi. This is how we do it in the local. From scratch.
Boy, you go and wash your damn hand, eh?
No process, all natural.
Let's see how the food go done quick.
Preparation.
The pork and everything cooked up already?
Yeah.
Cut up, wash out.
Only as a cook.
Yes,
Right.
Right.
I get you.
Put a little season in that.
What?
Put a little season in that.
Right, this is some cut up pork loin here with some skin.
Pork
Extra
loin,
flavor.
Pork like tiger.
Like tiger pig.
No, Larry! Yeah, Larry. Go ahead. Don't think all the water now, man. You're killing with sauce. Everything has to have it.
Maspuna, yes. Yes, maspuna. Yeah, right here, maspuna.
That's spoon right there. All is alu pie this morning. Asked the she cooked that with lions, they came forward. She said, no, but why I asked? I said, I find the pie raw.
Do again, salt. Where bye? Yeah, put salt. And I?
Now, what looking for?
Where bye?
A little ketchup, a little soy sauce.
My choice. Where bye?
Right. Here we have the pork. We add some green seasoning to it. Now we're adding some soy sauce and some ketchup.
You should want to go.
Now we're right here.
Oh, damn.
Bring that up. We have time for Dr. Cookin. Later.
Right, when you come River Lime,
No.
you're cooking multiple things. So the pork seasoning right now we bought a chunk of the duck.
A little ketchup.
Not too something that? Prepare the video. Prepare the steak. What's the difference there?
Right, good.
Nah, this is not that style.
One day, bye.
Come on, breeze.
Don't want to go on the camera, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the screen go on in the camera there, you don't see everything there. What do you think? Hey, there's a couple of line here, I think, eh?
Well,
Feeling of that.
well, come in.
You put no salt, eh?
No.
When you cook it over here, that's the spoil my act to get to go in the pot.
Right. The
Right,
dog
guys.
cooking there.
Yeah, guys, see you all in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm back. Well, I think the white okay, kick it. And now kick it down, buckle it. Yeah, because it will cook good.
You want to come up? Yeah. We tried it. Yeah, now we talk about. That's how it's done. Turn it up.
You put some water in that.
Just throw some extra garlic there.
You put ginger in there? No, you want to ginger it?
No, we don't do that.
Yeah, put that ginger in nothing.
Other thing, give me some other thing.
Now we're adding some ginger. This is green seasoning, soy sauce, ketchup, ginger and garlic.
Loco. Chocolate white coconut. Actually, chocolate white coconut.
You white coconut, guys?
Yeah. A little thing again. Yeah, right.
Right. Kapot and shit. Harry Palmer oil. Again.
Hey, who beg to go and pick up the girl? Me? It's fish. Fish saying one boy coming on from Atlas yourself, only calling. Oh, are you going cook lunch? Come and pick him up.
Right, we curry stewing some pork here. Oil in the pot getting hot. We got dump some brown sugar in here to get the stew.
No, I'm sure I don't know me now. But then she
So we're gonna make an epic curry stew.
And my head bad.
The word is epic today.
Epic.
Epic. Yeah, fix it too, is that epic lash. A mosquito sting ya, bite ya, is that epic bite. Beer. Right.
That night, you're a real wine, but you're like.
Real girl.
I think they be kept in there.
Come now, man. We walk in. And it's in fish floating.
We didn't come with January water, they come on too.
Yeah.
Water they broke.
Don't remind the man what them days now, boy.
Yeah?
See the man start crying in here?
Yeah, but I didn't like how he eat this style and he run all. And make sure the girl eat nothing. He can't run all, the girl like man who just talk, one talk. She call in Nari just now he talking. She better in the cup. And Nari, don't worry, he will stop talk. Nari, I'm a killer. Say Nari, can I set you up? Nah, good thing for you. Spoon. Good. Yeah, hot boy. How many times boy?
When I drink curry, not too. Now is it?
Curry stew. Drinking.
I thought they were just seasoning. I thought they were just seasoning the meat with the curry.
What do you want to do?
That's how I thought they do it. But the other spin not sugar, but that thing will burn on you.
What about on one side?
Yeah.
Pot lid. Take your hand away. Man ready for taking away? You think about it?
No. That's to let them melt. That's to let them melt.
Yeah, message out, spout. And happy New Year.
Yeah?
Happy New Year. Wait, let me call back up here. I will check into the farm and call it. Like that, man.
Boy, you see catches in Cora? Catches he started to talk about changing the oil. But I will teach you now. He can't tell you want to pull now. He started only vodka he drinking. Okay.
Nah, man, you gotta get something for these.
Yeah, we forget the curry. Put the leaf, boy.
But
Yeah.
Right, that's the curry stew pork. Gone in the pot, start a bubbling. White oak for a little extra flavor. So we have the duck going here, and we have the curry stew pork here.
The mixed one is like, when you mix it, then it's like that. When you mix it with water.
Hey, tell the man correcting all your fresh water more. Guys, here, don't tell you.
what are they done?
I found up all the fresh water more. Curry need to dry with thick sauce.
Thick sauce.
I'm trying to good day. Ahora man ko para tu. Aku bigin na. Aku wait. Real nice to it flat boy. And it's oval too. Right, that's not good. Wait a minute. Jadi ini pot. Nah, kau nak pot. That's in a bowl. Yes. Hey, Wendell! Come on, sit down, bowl for you, boy. Right, so you may see the finished product of this duck. River duck, they call this.
River duck.
Yeah.
Tell the people why a river duck is different than a duck cook in your kitchen.
Eh? The atmosphere.
And they cook behind it.
And the cook behind it. It is true.
Yeah.
Fireworks now? Is it so? Fireworks now?
Bursting with flavors.
Duck. Like we enjoy duck.
And it's going to go wash up.
Alright, let me take a look at the curry stew pork.
I want that water, a little bit of water. I want a little bit of water. That will hog we get in.
Alright then. Alright, let's get one out. You know why Josie?
Yeah, I'm teaching this.
Yeah, hold this one there.
Save that pot.
Let's keep on this way.
Alright, so duck finished.
Very foil. Kamu kau balik kau bayar lipat hot as well. Lipat lain hot. Fry right now. So I think we should start the fried rice now.